Okay, so for the next cocktail that we'll be preparing, actually bagay na bagay ito for summer. Anyway, for Cafe 64, we're actually offering Classic Mojito, no? Pero other than that, we also offer Peach Mojito, so that'll be the cocktail that we'll be preparing, no? So we'll just need white rum, lime juice, again, simple syrup, lime soda or Sprite for additional flavor later. Also, we'll be needing fresh mint leaves and lime. So first, I'll just prepare fresh mint. So I'll get like 5 to 6 pieces of these leaves. One piece of lime wedge, okay. 15 ml of our simple syrup. So imamodel ko lang siya. We'll do it the traditional mojito way. So why do we model yung lime and the mint leaves? Kasi we are trying to bring out its original flavor and aroma, no? So then after that, I'll just put 2 shots of our white rum. Our lime juice. And mag-a-add lang ako ng ice. Tapos isi-shake lang natin siya. Okay. Transfer lang natin sa glass.